In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom member login page in Wix. Imagine having a personalized place on your site where your members can log in, access exclusive content, or manage their profiles. Whether you're looking to enhance the user experience or simply want to offer a more tailored interaction for your community, creating a custom member login page is a fantastic way to start. First, go ahead and open up your Wix editor. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. Next, look over to the left-hand side of your screen where you'll find a vertical toolbar with several icons. The icon you're interested in today is the Add icon, which resembles a plus sign. Clicking on this icon will open a menu filled with a variety of elements you can add to your site. Now, what you're looking for in this menu is the Communities option. Think of this as the gateway to all that the member and social features Wix offers. Once you locate Communities, click on it. This will lead you to a submenu where you'll see the Members option. Selecting Members is crucial because it allows you to integrate member-based functionalities into your site, including the custom login page we're working on. Now let's take the important step of adding these features to your site by clicking Add to Site. When you do this, Wix will automatically begin the process of installing the necessary components for a member login system. Don't worry if it takes a couple of moments, as Wix ensures all parameters are correctly set up to offer a smooth member login experience. After you've added it, it's time to focus on personalizing. Customization is key to making this member login page truly yours and reflective of your site's branding. Head back to the toolbar and explore the various design tools and settings. Consider your brand's color scheme, font, and style. Consistency across your site will make the user experience seamless and memorable. Additionally, think about what features you want your members to have access to once they're logged in. Offering exclusive content or unique member deals can incentivize users to register and participate in your community. Explore options to create levels of membership or establish forums for discussion. Finally, preview your site to ensure everything flows smoothly and operates as intended. Check that the login functionality is working properly and that navigation is intuitive for your users. Once satisfied, publish your site and watch as your members enjoy the newly enhanced interactions your custom login page facilitates. And there you have it, a custom member login page created in Wix, enriching your site's community experience. Remember, building a community is about fostering connections, and a personalized touch goes a long way. Thanks for tuning in, and happy creating!